Hey, material science and engineering gods and goddesses, Alaina G. Levine here, and the magical moment of the year has arrived. The MRS spring meeting is around the corner. It's happening next week in sunny Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm so excited to welcome you to the desert, y'all. I got my earrings, I got my outfit, I got my nerd wear ready to go, and I'm going to be at that conference speaking about career development and networking, and I wanted to tell you about some of the really exciting hidden treasures that are taking place at the MRS Spring Meeting 2019 that you should take advantage of. So in addition to the workshop that I'm giving on Monday, the 22nd, on networking for nerds and how to become a networking rock star, which is open to everybody, and a workshop I'm going to be giving later that day on entrepreneurship careers, there are some really interesting new, fresh ideas that MRS are launching at this conference, and so I wanted to tell you about them. So one of the first things that really caught my eye was this new program that MRS is featuring called the MRS Frontiers. So this Frontiers event is going to be a reception. It's called the MRS Frontiers Reception, Building Communities, and it's an idea that allows you as an emerging or established professional in materials science and engineering to come together to network, to have some hors d'oeuvres, to have some drinks, come together and converse with other nerds and other materials science and engineering gods and goddesses about some of the really interesting frontier subjects that are going to be changing the direction of how we do MSc research in the future. So think about this. The analysis and the idea that how much artificial intelligence is changing how we do material science research, and quantum mechanics and quantum physics, how that is helping us to explore and push material science research to the frontiers, to the edge of knowledge and human discovery. And then there's going to be other topics relating to bio and other types of materials as well. So you'll be able to congregate and aggregate with some of your fellow material scientists and engineers to discuss some of these frontier subjects and build, hopefully, collaborations that will actually lead to solutions and research and discoveries that will impact humanity's grand challenges. That's what studying science and engineering is all about. After all, it's pushing the boundary, and it's about pursuing those frontier subjects like material science and engineering. But in addition to that Frontiers event, and that is taking place on Thursday, and you can get some more information on the MRS Spring Meeting website, there's also going to be a career panel taking place on Wednesday devoted to different subjects, different career paths that you can pursue as an MSc grad, as an MSc educated professional. There's going to be a science communication workshop that you can look into. There's going to be a wonderful opportunity dedicated to how we can design sustainability into materials research. That's taking place next week as well. And something that really caught my eye that's interesting is a program dedicated to the National Laboratory User Facilities and how you can actually gain access to these critical enterprises to advance your own research goals. So that's taking place also on Monday, April 22nd. And then there's also going to be an Open Data Challenge Awards event that's going to take place on Wednesday. And the final event I wanted to tell you about, and I love the fact that MRS is supporting this, and I really applaud, yay, I really applaud the people who came up with this idea. It's PowerPoint karaoke, yes, on Wednesday evening, and it's going to take place all about how you actually can improve on your PowerPoints and your presentations, how you can make a difference in helping the audience understand what you're doing, and it's going to be a really fun event, but also very educational and informative. So these are just some of the amazing and hidden and exciting treasures you're going to find in Phoenix at the Spring Meeting 2019 of MRS. I'm really looking forward to being there, and I hope you will join me. Bring your sunglasses, because not only is the sun going to be bright, but all the nerds and the brilliance and the exciting topics are going to be as bright as well. See you in Phoenix, y'all. Bye.